site and YouTube. It's been a couple weeks since I said I would get this video out for you, and I'm finally shooting the video. Okay, so it's this one's a 2004 quad cab Dodge Dakota. We've got the other truck right there, the 2002, same setup, sans the Ram, and then the Colorado over there, which is just like the estimating truck and whatever. Anyways, you wanted to see the setup. So 2 gas cans, Sure-Can gas cans in the, it's all Equipment Defender racks. I should probably set up an affiliate link if I'm gonna post this video, you know, make that affiliate money. So you know what, yeah, a link in the description below. If you use that link, I think the deal is the affiliate gets 10%. So if you use that link and go buy some Equipment Defender stuff, I'll make some money. I'll set that up, we'll make it happen. Anyways, 2 Sure-Can gas cans, okay? We use slotted angle iron. I'll show you the inside in a minute. Inside of the truck there, how we attach that all. Basic, okay? Good. Equipment Defender, backpack blower, rack thingy. Looking good, looking good. Shout out to Dale Otero from Florida. If you go and search his name, Dale, last name Otero, you can see him building my ramp on his YouTube channel. Pretty slick ramp. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So there's just 2 bolts on each side. The chain snapped there. I haven't welded it back on. So you just pull the bolt. Throw it on the ground for now because one-handed. Pull the other bolt. And then it's kind of nice. This is a thing that wasn't supposed to happen, but it sort of gets caught here, so it holds itself up. Doesn't immediately just come crashing down on you. And then one-handed, it's not too heavy. So basically we've got 2 little feet down here as well that takes some of the weight. Like, the ramp is heavy. I think overall the entire assembly is like 200 or 250 pounds. But when you're folding it up and down, it's really not that bad. With just one-handed, it's bad. So yeah, that's the ramp. It's pretty simple. It plugs right into the receiver on the truck, or the hitch or whatever on the truck. Instead of hooking it up to the assembly for the tailgate, which wouldn't have as much support, Dale was smart and he built it so it just goes right in there. And also we can disassemble it. It's 1 bolt, undo the bolt, boom, done, pull it out. And then I put I can either tow a trailer or I can put the tailgate back on, whatever. Anyways, set up inside the truck, we've got 2 30s, Time Masters. Started off this season with some Turf Masters. The guys didn't like them, so I sold them and bought them Time Masters because my guys are the boss. You know, and if they like it more, then more power to them. They're gonna get more done. They're lighter, they like it. The ramp is kind of overkill. I thought, actually, you know what, let me rephrase that. I thought the ramp would be overkill for Time Masters. Now, a lot of you guys, especially you guys on lawn site, are going to say that my guys are lazy and whatever, but they fight over who gets the truck with the ramp, because then they don't have to lift the Time Masters up and down 60 times each day. They're doing 30 houses a day, so that's 30 up, 30 down, right? 60 times. So on the other side, we got the dual trimmer racks on this truck. Because it has the short box, we can only fit 1 trimmer, which kind of sucks. We can, I believe, fit a trimmer without the edge attachment. I just haven't tried it yet. So we've got the edge attachment on the trimmer, and then we've got the line spool right there. So I'll show you what it looks like unloaded. So this truck's towing a trailer today. So unloaded, pretty basic stuff, basic setup. I'll show you the inside, how it's all sitting in here. So you got your slotted angle, which is all banged up, does the job. And it just rests on the box liner there. This backpack blower is actually bolted into the box of the truck. Same with the trimmer racks, they're bolted into the box of that truck. Now this truck can hold 2 trimmers because it is the long box extended cab, so the trimmers rest over there instead of over there. Anyways, that is the setup. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the setup or how we built everything, let me know. How we assembled everything, I should say, because we didn't build any of it. Let me know and I will ask my mechanic who put it all together for me.